Hello, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you. And in today's video, we are talking about how to build your channel from scratch and get it monetized in less than 1 week. But before we go into the video, if you are new to the channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell down there below, and make sure you get all my videos whenever I drop new ones. Also remember, this video is sponsored by Fearsome 3, consisting of Hepa Plus, Pavi, and Plasmos for your general well-being and also making you look good like I am on the camera. I know you are smiling. Let's go straight to the point. Some upcoming content creators do face challenges on creating YouTube channels, on building up the channel. They don't usually know what to do. But in today's video, I'm giving you 5 main things you should do. And under this 5 main, I have 3 basic things you should do under this main 5-3. So the first one will be taken making good content. That's the first one. The second one is help people find your videos. That's 2. 3, talk to your viewers. And 4, tell people about your channel. And the last one, be patient. So let's take the first one. That's make good content. Making good content under it, the basic one I was talking about is niche. The niche is making what you are good at or best at. So for example, if you're a comedian and you intend creating comedies, you have to stick to the comedy and make sure you do it good. And when you do it, no matter what, you see the end result. And also, when you take your niche, make sure you don't get frustrated, especially upcoming content creators. They usually mix things up. He mixes maybe music to comedy to, we have this complex thing. But if you want to build your channel under the YouTube community, to make YouTube recommend your videos to more people, you have to choose one particular niche that when your followers are watching the video, they will know that, okay, this is the main reason why I'm coming to the channel. I'm coming for comedy. This is the main reason why. If you are doing it for food, yeah, I'm coming for food. If you are doing it for football, then I'm coming there for football. But here comes the case when you mix gaming, you mix cooking, you mix music, you comedy, and a whole lot. Sometimes people don't, though people will watch, but YouTube recommendation for that particular channel will be low. That's the first one, the niche. And the second one, making high quality videos. When I talk about making high quality videos, it consists of the camera you use, the techniques you use, your lighting system, your thumbnail. In fact, anything you do, you have to do it in a very quality way. So for example, when I'm making videos, to make it high quality, I use a camera 700D with a 44mm lens, and my lighting system is good. And so when I'm done taking the videos, I edit it in a Premiere Pro. You can use other editing apps like CapCut, InShoot, DaVinci. We have a whole lot of editing applications out there. Make sure you choose a convenient one. So for me, I use Premiere Pro. So when editing, I do use some techniques in editing to make sure the video looks high quality. And the third one is plan your videos. Okay, when planning your videos, you have to make sure you schedule it properly. That's what we call consistent. You have to be very consistent when putting the videos out there. So for example, you upload videos now, or let's say today being maybe, let's say, first, you have to make sure you plan it very well to extend that your viewers or your subscribers don't lose guard, like they don't lose watching your videos. So don't upload video today and maybe in a week or in a month later you upload one. You are not being consistent, and so therefore your videos will come down. But when you start being consistent, for example, you post video today, you post it tomorrow next, that way being consistent, the followers will come and you will love it. And also the second one on the list is help people find your videos, and the basic one is the keywords. So when taking keywords, you have to make sure you are helping your viewers, your subscribers, even non-subscribers, those that don't watch you, you have to help them to be able to find your videos. So for example, when you're a comedy and you are creating a comedy video, when you're a comedian creating a comedy video, and let's say you are creating it about how to eat, okay, make sure the keywords in it is how to eat. So when I am on YouTube searching how to eat, but not in a comedy way, at least because of the keyword you're able to put in your video will be highly recommended to me. And when I see it and I like what I see, I subscribe, I like, and that's how it all goes. And also, when taking the keywords, make sure you don't take keywords that are not affiliated to your videos. So for example, I'm a comedian, sorry, and I have a comedy video out there, and I'm talking about how to eat fast. By in my keywords, I'm tagging or picking keywords like how to sing or how to bath. It doesn't correspond. You make it difficult for YouTube to sanction the things for the viewers to watch. And so therefore, you have to remain on that particular keywords you are choosing and make sure your viewers get what they need. And the second basic on the list is make a good title. When taking a good title, that's the caption. Make sure your caption talks about the video. When taking a caption, make sure the caption talks about the video. So let's take this for example. This video you are watching right now is teaching how to make or how to grow your YouTube channel in less than 1 week. That's what the caption says. But when you tap on the video talks about how to cook. So you make it difficult for YouTube to sanction your video and recommend it to people out there because the caption, the video, everything is just different. So it shouldn't be that way. You have to make the caption or the title be what the video is saying. One is high quality thumbnail. Okay, let the thumbnail or the picture talk about the video and talk about the caption. You know, we have something we call clickbait, or some people say clickbait. Clickbait or clickbait is when you take a video title or a video caption, okay, to caption something that the video doesn't talk about. So the video content is about how to cook, and the caption is about how to bath. It doesn't correspond, it doesn't click. So when I see how to bath, thinking I'm ready to see how to bath, but I tap on a video and it's teaching me something else. And so for example, some content creators that want clickbait, that's what they do. Clickbait, maybe the video is talking about how to cook, the caption is talking about how to bath, and the picture is talking about how to swim. Three things, and YouTube can highly recommend this video. But when they recommend it, what do you think will happen to your channel? Whenever we start watching the video and we see it's not what we like, we stop it. And when we stop it, the arrow on your video, the average will be low. And when the average is low, your video is no more going to get recommendations by YouTube. And so you'll be locking it down. And that shouldn't be the case. And the third one on the list is talk to your viewers. I know some people, when they start the content, they don't even talk to their viewers. And some too do. Now, this is what happened when you don't, and this is what happened when you do. When you don't talk to your viewers, for example, you upload a video and you have your viewers commenting, okay, in the comment section below. When you don't talk to them, this is what happened. They just feel this particular content creator doesn't have like a good sense of humor to, you know, make them feel at least they are replied. They get replied from a big whole content creator. When you do something like that, people don't really regard or they don't come back to the channel. But here comes the case when you do it. When people or your viewers when your viewers comment in your comments and you reply, you like, you react, they feel yes, this content creator has really done it. They'll be like, I just dropped a comment and he commented, he liked, he reacted. it motivates them to come back to the channel. And when that happens, they recommend it. Yo, do it, do it, do it. That's what will happen. And people watch your videos and they get. And you know, one thing about comments is that comments usually such a way that when people are commenting under the video and the video comments are very positive, YouTube highly recommend it, because when someone talks about, example, when someone talks about a video that the video is how to cook, and in the comments people are saying, I really like the way you cook, I like the way you stir the food, I like the way you package it, I like this, that, all these particular comments come together, and YouTube make it in such a way that even when I go online and that particular video's caption is how to cook best meal, and I go on YouTube and I go to type maybe food, you are lucky, you'll be lucky, or let me say your videos can be highly recommended on the top search. Meanwhile, it's just it's different, but because of the comments, the comments in it, the positive comments you have in it, the caption, and also what you did in the video is what YouTube will recommend for people to watch. And the last one on the third one's list is ask for feedback. Ask for feedback. I know someone will be wondering, how do I ask for feedback from my viewers? Okay, so when asking for feedback, as in this particular video that I'm doing. So example, hello ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about this video? Must that be what it is or this? When you say something like this, you make the viewer or your subscriber feel connected to your video. The viewer feels you're communicating with him or her. So when I'm like, what do you think about this? Did Obama really play the football? Let me know in the comment section below. When he says something like this, when the viewer is watching, feels connected, he or she feels connected. So you get them on track. And when that happens, they are always the returning viewers. They usually come again to watch the video because they love what you're doing. And let's go to the fourth on the list, is tell people about your content. And the first basic one is share your content on all the social media platforms as possible as you can. So sharing your content on the social media, let's say me as a content creator, I'm only on YouTube. Does that mean only YouTube that I'm going to be? Won't I take my links out there? Won't I share my videos out there for people to know they can come and watch the main videos right here? That is the question I should be asking myself. So why don't I create TikTok? Why don't I create Facebook, YouTube, Reddit, X? We mention them, Snapchat, share my links on WhatsApp and here and there. When people get access to them elsewhere, they come to the main channel and get connected, and that will give you what you need. So let's say, for example, I creating this video right now. I have this video out there on TikTok, I have it on X, I have it on Instagram, Snapchat, even on WhatsApp, on Reddit, mention them everywhere. So when people that haven't come across my channel see the videos elsewhere, they get connected to it and I get what I want. What do I want? I want the viewers. I want viewers because the viewers are what supports me. That's one reason or one problem, okay? Some content creators usually do. When creating a video, they only stick or focus on one particular aspect, like YouTube, without sharing their videos out there. And that's how or why they usually end up people to see them and be like, I don't know whom this guy is, I don't know whom he is, I don't know whom she is. You understand? But you are doing a massive and a great work on the YouTube community. And also the second on the fourth one list is make content with other content creators. So making content with other content creators is a collaboration. Collaborating with others will boost your channel and make people find out the kind of person you are. So for example, if I am a comedian and let's say my comedy's name or channel name is Extra O's Comedy, and I just began my comedy videos, I don't really get what I want. I don't get the views, I don't get the followers, I don't get the subscribers, and I keep on creating videos. Then one day I do or make a video with Sam Speedy, Mama Ojo, Papa Ojo, these two people. and Ojo himself, and I collaborate with them. Me collaborating with them, his followers, okay, from the other aspect will also come to watch my video. Why? Because they just watched and they saw that it's Extra O that collaborated with them. And when they feel Extra O is a very good content creator, why won't they come and follow you? They will follow you and they'll be hoping for more. So when you're creating content, you need to collaborate with other content creators that will boost and give you what you want. And the last one on the fourth one list is join online groups. Join online groups. So when I say join online groups, what I simply mean is that when you are a content creator, you should join webinars that will connect creators together. You people share ideas, share creatives, know what you are doing, and people will even give you suggestions. So don't be like, oh, let me only stick to this, let me stick to myself, let me stick to that. Without opening up, how will you get suggestions? You don't open doors, how will people come to you? So this is what you need to do to get what you want. And the last fifth one on the list is be patient. Be very patient. And under the patient, we have one as a basic. Upload regularly. Consistency repeats itself. Under the patient, okay? Upload regularly because it's very necessary. When you upload regularly, people see how you are putting work out there, and they will not, turn back on you, because they know when I come to the channel, I'm always getting new things to watch. I need to come there because I really need to watch this and that. So you shouldn't give up. Some people will give up because they know when you put videos out there, I don't get the views I want. You put videos out there and just sit down and relax without doing all the above things I just mentioned and thinking magic will work. Sometimes if you are very lucky, your video can go viral. If you are not too, it wouldn't, because you didn't put effort in it. And not being patient. Oh, the video I just uploaded 1 day ago or 1 week ago, I just got only 2 views, 3 views. What's that? You're not being patient. When you give up, that's your own cup of tea. And the third one is do not give up. Content creating, we do not give up. When you give up, you flop. When you flop, and that's it, you don't get what you want back, and it will take you time. And one thing about content creating is that if you're not being patient, okay, you always give up. So I started YouTube in 2014, and it's now, I'm seeing progress. Isn't that incredible? I know someone will be like, whoa, starting in 2014 is a wastage of time. Sometimes in life, saying my time has not come, people say it as a wastage of time. They see and say it's a wastage of time, but it's not, because definitely there is a time coming where you reap what you sow. You don't just reap today and get it instantly. No. And the last one on the list is learn and improve. Keep getting better. Keep getting better. You see, when you are being consistent with what you do, what you love, be passionate about it, you get better with it. Do you understand? So for example, me creating this video, I really love to create videos. And so I don't really care about the time I waste. I don't care. I don't usually care about some things that will pull me or let me down about the content creating that I'm doing, because I'm very passionate with it. Whether I get my 1 view, 2 views, 3 views, all I know is I've put video out there, and me, I'm out there and I do the needful. When it doesn't go viral, I have no problem, because I'm very patient. And I know patience is always the key to success. Are you aware of that? Yes, guys, I'll bring my video to an end. If you really enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified. What do you think? What do you think about the video? Do you think all what I said is the right thing? Yes, it is, definitely. And also, do not forget, in my next video, I'll be talking about how to create best thumbnails for your videos and how to position stuffs and make it bold and grab more views to the channel. And also, don't forget, this channel is highly sponsored by Hepa Plus, Puffy, and Plasmos. Hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day.